Okay. Yeah, they all made me fun now. It's fat time. Yeah, we're here with the kids. Oh, not kids, my adults' kids. To do some shopping for some stuff. The market is great. Yeah. If you're so far, I'm far, if I come. Look. Yeah, I just put my say, my Samoa say, Samoa color, and my hat is very hot outside. Yeah, yeah, but I don't need to wear it now. We are inside the new market in Savalalo. Oh, look at that. He likes it. He's a Syrian, from Syria. My daughter's boyfriend. He likes it. He already bought the Samoa shirt to match up with my grandson. And now we want to buy it if I come because he's coming to church with us. He loves the salmon. I think the only thing not good here, wakele kele le au le lau fa Samoa kuya wangi fa longo mai ia ngai au subscribers ngai ele Samoa. Ola le bakanga ka fi ice. Kau le mafainga ka savan. I have coins or $5 in my bag. And my kids can't believe how much money I've given. Yeah, we bought Ely as well. Now I think I bought like 20 Elys in 2 days. Nice pule kasi here. Look. Ini saya sila pa po opo kengi. No, there.
Yes, that
Ole ongo malefa. Yeah, la you hang fai fa. Look, this. This Ayan lang those bright colors. They like bright colors like these colors. I think they're a bit short, smaller. Yeah, makanya le size le pianga magwala color. Oi, faz que ele é ba é aquele ba é Ole kasi, ole ale lang. My mapeanga what bright colors. They like the bright colors, like these colors. Yeah. Kua o wa kilo I mama fau sei. Wa kele le mau sei. Okay. Ya mai lar ka sei le. Ya. Ka sei langu. Ya mai sei langu orange la. O white. E ma ya ele white. Ah, wai mafanya sei so se langu wa. Ya. Okay. Nee, mas ka kamay tipo. E fiale ula fala nga. Ya, ya mai la ma. Ya, mai le ula fala. Ya. Kau su e kua se mea. E hea pile pising se si tina. Wai e se mea ye fa. Wai e se mea ye fa. These are the colors the colors my grandchildren likes. But ele mama yellow oh, what about this one? E kaifia. Vai ngeke lu a ya ale. Kaifia. Faça full. Do you have a bigger size? The same pattern. Yeah. Oh, can I see? Oh, maybe a little bit smaller than that. Oi, kele la. Just maybe a little bit bigger than this one. But skinny. Skinny, but a bit taller than the 5-year-old. Oi. There. Oi, que a fecão? Vai ficar Willie, ó. A Lele is a flower. They like floral. They like floral. Okay. Oi. Yeah, it's okay. I'll keep looking. Yeah, they were uma faca você. Veja ficar o iasse, ele é uma Brooklyn of ya. Huh?
I know, yeah. Yeah, Mom.
These are the colors they like. How much? Oh yeah, I come back later, okay? Say, I want to keep looking because there might be a best. But I feel sorry for the people. Oi.
Passa?
Hallo, soy vor. In here. Ja. Leer. Nafu wants to buy those more ring, like Teto.
Oh, yeah.
Teto one. Yeah, you wanna sit? We can see. Well, you wanna buy? You wanna? Are you looking for something?
No,
Some,
not really.
it's here for Mama, yeah. Well, we got plenty of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
To
let's go find a restaurant. Mum, you wanna go?
yeah. Let's wait for my sister-in-law to get here.
Okay.
She wants some Manera. Okay, let's go find a seat over there.
You want a drink?
This is Samoa for those who don't know where Samoa is. I'm doing this live from Samoa in the South Pacific, the most beautiful island in the Pacific. Very clean.
Yeah.
Wait, anh có mày? Oh, phải em có follow. Okay. Cái lele kele. Ah? Boy, yeah, we are going to them. That's my niece's husband.
Oh,
Yes. He's telling me he's preparing for the umu, for the cooking tomorrow morning for us. Yeah. It's my daughter. Yeah. And her boyfriend. What? Yeah. You can say hello. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Pai wale ai masiku pe le ka wo ko vai se masinye. E a fo e. E va kule se fu ka la. Wait, I had a $20. Peme nga yin nga ka bali. Oi. Yeah. Yeah, ako lang rin na. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Why do? Yeah. Yoi. Nga fay ka follow. Ay, makakomo. Ta la. O kale kuluko nga ka. Oh, he was telling me his brother was injured yesterday and the car and he needs to go to the hospital. Yeah.
here, Mum. Perfect.
Looking. Look for my yeah, we are waiting for my sister-in-law. He's contacted me. Sorry, I kept talking. I forgot I'm on live. Okay, waiting for my sister-in-law here, and then we go to have a massage. Tonight we're gonna go to the Fia night and one of the hotel. So I'm gonna do more live from the entertainment stuff. Okay. All right. For the meantime, I want to say goodbye. Thank you so much. Ko ang mangyayang sa kamako. Yeah. Thank you. You wanna buy water, Nolia? Okay. Every second of the day, people ask to buy something, and we have dozens of each of the things. Okay. Thank you. Like Fatima. Oi. Yeah. Hi. Oh, hi. Yeah. Okay. More live tonight if you haven't. Tonight is the entertainment night, so we're gonna go and spend a few hours there. Okay, this is more like a food court. This is a playground for the kids. This is a new one just built last year and opened this year, in the beginning of this year. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.